Here it is, brand new Ryobi Ratchet. So if we can see here, it didn't get any niceties in the shipping arena, but we're going to open this up and see what it looks like.
What is it?
This is a tool only.
For women.
Right. Appears that the tool is intact. It does come with a short extension.
Yep.
And let's open it up and see what happens.
Let's do it.
And bear in mind, everybody's going to say, oh, it only has 38 foot-pounds of torque. But in all reality, if you're doing any kind of automotive repairs or anything of that nature, you really should be using torque specs and using a torque wrench. So this is just to enhance the speed of getting things done. And I'm okay with it.
As long as it gets it done, that's the main thing.
Doesn't have to be fancy, it just has to get the job done. So without any further ado, this is what it looks like.
Awesome.
It's got the paddle switch. It's got a lock on the trigger. It does take the 18+1 battery platform. You can use any voltage or amperage of battery on it that you want. We do have a 3 amp battery in a waiting over here. And what it also has is the ability to turn the head. So just turn the head. No, this head.
Oh.
No.
Yes. Oh, I see.
So
Isn't that clever, guys?
you can keep the battery out of the way in different positions
And it's
as you're using the tool. So just because it has the big battery base doesn't mean it's going to limit the usage. So without further ado, we'll put the battery in the tool wife and let's see what it does.
Put the what? Oh. Ready, guys?
Turn the lock off.
Oh, jeez. Oh, look, it has a light on it, too.
Yep, it should have dual LEDs. It should have one on the front and one on the back. So that's in the forward position. We should be able to turn it and have it in the reverse position.
See the light? And then if you turn it over, there's a light over here, too.
So there you go, guys. It's right out of the box. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.